Hello guys, it's me, Jimmy. D-Z-I-M-I, Jimmy. To my second episode of my vlog. So, hope you guys are all doing fine, especially with not recently, challenging pandemic. And I hope you guys all stay safe. Just be more careful and have to take care of your immune system. Okay? So today we'll do a review, toy review, should I say it, in English. So please bear with me since I don't speak English regularly at home, so I speak other language. So it's gonna be quite challenging and funny for me. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy it. So let's get started. So today we'll review for this from DC character is Superman and Darkseid from the Spin Masters. If you take a look for the packaging, this one is the battle pack for two characters, Superman and Darkseid. For each character, they have 3 accessories. So 3 for Superman and 3 for Darkseid. And let's take a look for the packaging. You can see here the side, and then another side. And from the back, you see Superman with the Superman here logo, and then Darkseid, which that is not his logo, but let me check. DC super villain. So for the packaging, not that bad. So yeah, let's unbox this character and let's see. Hey, wait 1 minute. This character, no, should be this two action figure is 3.75 inches. Okay, so let's unbox it. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, this is my second action figure of Superman. The first one, I really want to compare it, but somehow I lost his head. So I cannot compare it. Sorry guys. I think it was 80s figure that from the Kenner. I'll show you a picture here so you can you'll know. Maybe other people have purchased it, but I found the figure, but the head is missing, so I cannot compare. For the Darkseid, this is my first time figure, so it's really nice that Superman has his best friend. You can play with each other. Okay, so let's unbox this box. As you know, mostly toys here are full of packaging tape. Here, all the side. Just make sure people don't steal it from the store. Okay, let's see. Gosh, it's difficult. Okay, I just opened from the side. So what's next? Okay, from the side. Okay guys, so here is a trading card, Superman and Darkseid, and here you can see the 3 treasure box, 3 for Superman and 3 for Darkseid. Okay, so sorry for the side here. This is the price from the Toy R Us, which I bought from them again. No sponsor from them yet. I hope soon. So let's unbox this figure. Okay, so we have the first Superman, and then next. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one. We have Darkseid and Superman for this one. So inside, there's another, like, I don't know what it says, but there's a paper inside that background picture. See? Metropolis, any other country? I don't know. Not quite familiar with the DC location. So, at the back, you can see there's other figure like Superman, Shazam, the Black Superman, the Flash, and this one is the one I just purchased, Battle Pack, Superman and Darkseid. And there's another one which is Aquaman and Black Manta. So every time you purchase a toy action figure, it comes with the 3 accessories or 3 weapons. Yeah. Okay. Enough from this one. So let's get started. So I think they just glued the figure in the box. Gosh. When you're taking off from the Superman, just be sure to be more careful, especially the cape. It might tear it off. Okay, so do it slowly. Gosh. What the? Guys, just be sure, be more careful when taking this action figure out from this, I don't know what this is, plastic, because the cape is more important. Gosh, be careful. Slowly. Wow. Okay guys, let's check the quality. It's okay. So we have first, put a whiteboard just to see the figure more clear. Okay. So the Superman here, you have here the figure, which is a little bit metallic. I don't mind the color, but if you buy the Superman, it's just the solo, without the Darkseid solo, I think the color of his suit is more on matte blue. For this one is metallic. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Metallic. We have the Superman cape with the Superman logo. Yeah. Shining belt. Red belt. No underwear red. Okay. So another one. Oh yeah. The bad guy. Okay. This is one more. This is Darkseid. See? Look at this angry face. You can allow it. So let's see. Articulation, almost same with the one I just reviewed, the Joker. Yeah, let's see. So these two guys. Articulation, arm, shoulder, yeah, can rotate 360. Torso, no, cannot bend the torso. The head, 360. Oh no, I better not make it. It might tore it off. Articulars a little bit like stiff or hard, yeah. And if you want to make a with the skirt of it, so it makes it a little bit difficult to have a sit down position, as you can see here. The articulation is okay for this one. So while for the Superman, the feet can rotate full 360. The hand, the arm, no, this one, the hand cannot. Okay, enough for this one. So let's compare it for the weapons. For us of this one, from the Superman, I got this the chest or the armor, so I can just put it on the Superman side. So let's try put it on. Yeah. And then what's this one? The chest, the armor of the Superman. Sorry guys. So this one, okay. Well, next, oh my gosh, this is kryptonite. From Superman weapon, what is this? Kryptonite, the Sorry guys. Superman very scared of when he was a little kid until now. The kryptonite. Wow, sorry guys. Kryptonite. It's hard to hold it. It's like he's like holding a lollipop. What the? I cannot hold this one, so I just put it here lah. It's difficult to hold. I don't know why. It's a lollipop. Yeah, just put it in here. Okay. So with his another accessories. What is this? Night vision, heat vision, laser blast, laser beam, the eye. So let's put this in his. It's look like a headband. Yeah. Let's give Superman a pose that he's firing his laser beam eye. See? Okay, so that's 3 figure for Superman. Let's check this again. Okay, so from the Darkseid, we have 3 weapons. First, sword. Take this one, sword, and then we have a gloves or gauntlet, as look like and painted gauntlet. This one I got it right, gauntlet, not gloves. Okay. So another one is the again heat vision, the headband, the heat vision. Let's try put it together. Okay. So oh my god, it's a bit hard to put on this weapon on their body. And then the sword, put it on, stick it on the left hand. Pardon guys, it's a little hard. So yeah, he got his sword. And what's funny is the gloves. Oh my! Wait one moment. For the gloves, you have to hold it. See? Hold it. Yeah. So I don't know. I never saw him wear a gauntlet, but yeah, take a look. With his laser beam eye, with his big what sword? Yeah, and a gauntlet. That's it for his weapon. So in Superman and sorry guys, I speak Tagalog at all. Just the expression. I can't hold the kryptonite, so anyway, I don't mind. So also these 2 characters, Superman and Darkseid. So far the articular is okay compared with the G.I. Joe. Almost. Application. For these 2 figure, I gave it maybe 8. Yeah, because it comes with 2 character in 1 package, so it's a battle pack. So yeah, hoping next time I could get the another package from Aquaman and Black Manta. So it's nice to them to review. So far it's not that bad since this one again. So guys, that's it for today for me to review. So hopefully next time we'll have another episode of my vlog. And stay safe guys, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any comment or suggestion, you just enter below. Okay, so that's it. Jimmy's out. Bye bye.